Screen printing is everywhere. It's a process that utilizes silk stencil as well as ink to quickly print beautiful designs on the surface of a variety of objects, whether it's t-shirts, backpacks, posters, boxes, greeting cards, and more. Even the most auction artworks of the 20th century were made using the screen printing process. Here's Andy Warhol. His shot sage blue Marilyn was created with screen printing, and it's auctioned over 195 million. Yes, 195 with 6 zeros. The screen printing process hasn't changed in years because its preparation process is tedious and time-consuming. It involves making a frame, stretching the screen, applying the glue, drying, developing, and washing. It's a shame that such a useful and interesting form of art is still far away from our daily lives in today's society. So, how can we simplify the process? Introducing XTool's screen printer. In order to simplify this process, our answer is to use laser engraving. You can use XTool's laser engravers on other brands to achieve this result. The second you open the box, it's ready for action. We developed a pre-coated screen. It's easy to stretch. Just place the screen on the frame, insert the fixing pins, and it's done. The pre-coated formula is thoroughly applied to the screen. The laser engraving process will remove the adhesive from the screen without damaging it. In this way, we made the screen printing process highly flexible and efficient. With our design, we made it easy and intuitive for beginners. Once the stretching process is completed, simply place the stencil into the laser engraver. Whether it's simple text or complex graphics, you'll always get a clean and sharp pattern from it. And now, let's dive into the magical printing world. The quick-release frame design will help you achieve a fast and convenient experience during multicolor works. The printer supports objects with thickness up to 60 millimeters. Just lift and print. The job is done. Precision is important. You can easily fine-tune adjustment in all directions with just 3 knobs. The frame is reusable. You just need to change the screen every time you change the pattern. The frame can also be used with other screen printers. We designed it this way so you don't have to pick sides. Screen printing is a great tool to express yourself. We simplified the preparations so you can focus on the creations. Try your hands at screen printing, and you'll be amazed at your own imagination. XTool Screen Printer.